Ameritech Air Conditioning and Heating has installed thousands of AC systems since we started over a decade ago. We have financing options available through our lending partners to help you pay for your new system. Our experience in providing customers with energy-efficient systems, financing, and money savings through lower utility bills have proven, in some cases, to pay for itself in energy savings. Money is tight. We get it. We understand a new AC system is rarely a planned purchase. It's most often a matter of necessity. It doesn't have to be a complicated or scary process. Our comfort specialists will assess your current system and provide a detailed estimate. By using our lending partners, Ameritech is able to offer special finance programs that are designed to assist our customers in getting what they need today with no money out of pocket. Once approved, we will take care of installing your new AC system, making the transition from old to new painless. Check out our easy pre-qualifying process at ameritechfl.com or call us to make an appointment with a comfort specialist.